We are still in the thick of flu season, and cases are continuing to increase across the country and right here in Oklahoma.
I believe it. In a recent report by the Walgreens Boots Alliance, Oklahoma was found to have the highest number of flu cases in the whole U.S. Fox 23's Fahima Pagmani brings us the details on how many cases are right here in Green Country.
Total that we've seen so far this season is 656 hospitalizations and 12 deaths.
Madison Thomas is an epidemiologist for the Tulsa Health Department. She says we're in peak season for the flu, so it is very important to keep yourself safe and stop the spread of it.
They're simple, right? So it can be washing your hands, covering your cough and sneezes, avoid touching your face. Of course, getting your flu shot if you haven't already. We typically recommend getting the flu shot at the beginning of the season, around October, but you can get it at any point during the season. So if you haven't already, we highly recommend getting your flu shot. You can get your flu shot here at Tulsa Health Department, your pharmacy, talk to your healthcare provider about what is right for you.
In a recent report by the Walgreens Boots Alliance, you can see Oklahoma has the highest number of recorded flu cases. And in this same report, you can see Tulsa was named the 8th highest city for having the most flu activity.
It can be really hard to distinguish flu specifically from other types of illnesses because a lot of the symptoms are very similar. So we're talking headache, we're talking fever, chills, body aches, sore throat, runny nose. So if anyone is experiencing these symptoms, it's really important to stay home away from others, potentially go and get tested and take those precautions to help prevent the further spread of the illness.
Madison says if you did get your flu shot already, you can still potentially get sick, but the symptoms may not be as bad.
But if you do get sick, it most likely is going to be more mild. It's going to prevent you from having more severe outcomes.
She says flu season typically lasts until May. Covering News That Matters, I'm Fahima Pagmani, Fox 23 News.
Madison told Fox 23 how best to keep from getting the flu or giving it to others once you have it. Fahima will have that part of the story for you on Fox 23 News at 6.